What's up guys, me Kiefer, so I'm back. So this is the part 2. So now let's just get the and then get everything, and this is the part 2, getting the 50k. Eh, so how much do we get for now? K, I like that, 5k 945 I think. Okay, so 4k more. So let's see what's in stock. Ooh, okay. So yeah, let's just grab this, all of this. Oh, so no, need you. Oh, so let's see how much do we get from that. We, no matter what they do, all the things make me do. Ooh, I don't know that lyrics, so yeah. Maybe this will be a short video, the part 2. Okay. Okay guys, we have now 50k. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.